Do what you want. Doesn't matter. I was just thinking if we spread it out a little bit more. Well, I used to like that noise until I went duck hunting and only saw loons close to us.
Yeah, I used to love the sound of a loon until all we see around us is loons during duck hunting. Yeah, I agree. It's cool to have it on video though. That'll make a cool video for Facebook. Come on, focus in, you bastard. There we go.
He's still there, Josh.